Hi, Adam with Camaro Generation. Today we're going to talk about a stripe package for the 6th generation Camaro. Now, if you're like us and your Camaro didn't come with the optional rally stripe package from the factory, this is a great option to look into. Now, we went with a kit from Eagle Enterprises that comes with high quality 3M vinyl that's precision cut in all the sections you'll need. Now, this is a pretty large vinyl kit, so we do recommend professional installation, but if you do have graphic install experience, this is something you could probably tackle yourself. Now, we went with flat black for our yellow Camaro, but you have an option of virtually any color choice you can imagine, so you can really make it yours. Our rally stripe package turned out great. I really love the black and the yellow. For this stripe package and more, as well as to check out the progress on our Project 6th Generation Scorpion SS, go to CamaroGeneration.com. This is Adam. We'll catch you next time.